The Enterpac BTW series battery torque wrench is an impressive tool designed for bolting applications. The BTW series delivers accurate and repeatable torque up to 6,000 featuring pounds, 8,130 Newton meters. It comes in a handheld, self-contained package, making it easy to use. The integrated digital motor vectoring system ensures precise torque delivery. Available for 3/4, 1.5, square drive sizes, suitable for various industries and scenarios. Some models come with data logging capabilities, allowing operators to record torque values and usage history. This is useful for quality control, maintenance records, and compliance with industry. The Infinite Machine P1 is an electrifying urban ride that combines cutting-edge industrial design with impressive performance and utility. Top speed, 55 miles per hour, 88.5 kilometers per hour. Acceleration, quick and near silent, thanks to a powerful 6 kilowatts hub motor. Range, up to 60 miles, 96.6 kilometers, in urban environments. Battery, removable 72-volt 50Ah battery for convenient charging at home or the office. Drive modes, choose from Eco, Performance, Reverse, and Turbo Boost. Robust aluminum and steel monochassis with an iconic front fascia. Ample storage under the seat, below the steering cluster, and between the rider's legs. Easy to park between cars or leave outside without a cover. Can be driven without a motorcycle license at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. For speeds up to 55 miles per hour, activate performance mode with a Class M license. Includes CarPlay, wireless connectivity, and an Infinite Machine app for remote management. The Trilife Super Long Range Flashlight is an impressive illumination tool designed for extended distances. The Trilife flashlight boasts an impressive beam distance, making it suitable for search and rescue operations, outdoor adventures, and more. Includes a bracket for convenient mounting and USB charging capability. Available at a reasonable price point. Powered by a 7,200 mAh rechargeable battery. Mammonth is Climeworks' second commercial direct air capture and storage plant, located in Iceland. Mammonth is designed for a nameplate capacity of up to 36,000 tons of CO per year. It represents a significant step in Climeworks' scale-up roadmap, moving from thousands of tons to tens of thousands of tons of carbon removal annually. Climeworks aims to achieve megaton capacity by 2030 and gigaton capacity by 2050. As of May 2024, Mammonth is in the commissioning and ramp-up phase. It provides valuable engineering and operational experience for future scale-up steps. Like its predecessor, Orca, Mammonth aims to third-party verify and certify the carbon removal it performs. The primary benefit of the Climeworks Mammonth plant is its potential to mitigate climate change by reducing atmospheric CO levels. This directly addresses one of the root causes of global warming. The Mammonth plant is designed to integrate with renewable energy sources. Impression Pi, or Impression Pi, is a mobile virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, head-mounted display, HMD, developed by Usens. Head-mounted display. Slide-on HMD, integrated HMD. Its developer is Usens. Requires a smartphone with a 5-inch or larger screen and a pixel density of 400 plus ppi. Features internal positional tracking using infrared cameras. Can turn on an internal IR projector for better tracking. Allows basic VR functions using the Impression Pi faceplate. Includes an integrated board with higher performance IMU, computer vision module, and dual RGB and IR cameras for gesture recognition, hand and finger tracking, positional tracking, and AR overlays. Combines starter and core functions. Includes an integrated screen and processing unit, eliminating the need for a smartphone. The UOP Mask 2-in-1 PC gaming headphone and controller holder is a convenient accessory for gamers. This stand features a 360-degree rotating hook and 2 detachable holders. You can use it to hold 2 game controllers and a headphone simultaneously. It fits various gaming controllers under 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram, including PS5, PS4, Xbox One, Xbox Series 10, Switch Pro, Steam controller, and other PC gamepads. Storing your headset and controllers under the desk keeps your frequently used devices within arm's reach and declutters your workspace. The Coilshot condenser cleaning tool by SpeedClean is designed to make cleaning condenser coils faster and more efficient. The Coilshot tool connects directly to a garden hose and uses a single pre-measured tablet to apply foaming coil cleaner directly to coils. It eliminates guesswork and saves on the hassle and waste of liquid coil cleaner. Just 1 to 2 tablets per job are needed. Suitable for both residential and commercial coil cleaning. The cleaner is non-acidic and non-caustic, so it won't harm vegetation. The Coilshot tool is easy to store and carry, replacing bulky liquid coil cleaners with small tablets. This innovative system redefines coil cleaning, making it more efficient and environmentally friendly. The Tornado is an innovative portable Savonius wind turbine designed to harness wind energy and convert it into electricity. The Tornado utilizes the Savonius design, known for its simplicity and efficiency. It consists of curved blades arranged in a vertical axis, allowing it to capture wind from any direction. What sets the Tornado apart is its dome. As wind flows horizontally, it turns the turbine blades. Simultaneously, the downward airflow pushes the blades further, effectively doubling its power output. The Tornado is compact and easy to carry. You can take it camping or use it during outdoor activities. It's perfect for situations where space and weight matter. You can generate power by manually turning the handle or connect it to a USB-C charger. It also features 2 USB-A ports for charging devices directly. The Tornado has a 12,000 mAh Li-ion battery, providing ample energy storage. An EDC, everyday carry, pry-bar multi-tool is a versatile tool designed for everyday use. EDC pry bars are small and lightweight, making them easy to carry in your pocket or attached to a keyring. The primary purpose of these tools is to pry open objects, such as removing staples, opening boxes, or lifting lids. Some EDC pry bars include other features like bottle openers, screwdriver tips, hex wrenches, and glass breakers. They are often made from stainless steel or titanium for durability. EDC pry bars aim to provide essential functionality without cluttering your pockets with multiple tools. Seabike is a portable water bike that combines the convenience of a bicycle with aquatic mobility. It's easy to carry, weighing only 24 kilograms, and can be assembled within 15 minutes. With an average speed of 20 to 25 kilometers per hour, it's ideal for sports and relaxation on lakes, canals, and the open sea. Available in 4 colors. The Seabike lets you explore waterways that boats and kayaks can't reach. The Seabike propels itself using physical force, making it perfect for snorkeling and diving. Snorkelers can move quickly across the water surface, expanding their underwater exploration area. Designed for minimal effort, it allows sea explorers to glide through several kilometers of water, saving energy and air. Seabike comes with basic features, but you can enhance it with product add-ons available in the webshop. In computer security, Ring 0 inches refers to the highest privilege level in an operating system. It interacts directly with the physical hardware, including CPU functionality, such as control registers, and I/O controllers. Essentially, Ring 0 provides kernel-level access, allowing critical system operations and low-level hardware control. In ring theory, the 0 ring, or trivial ring, is a unique ring consisting of only one element. It has no non-zero elements and is often denoted as 0. The 0 ring plays a foundational role in abstract algebra and serves as a simple example in ring theory. The Infinix Smart 8 is an Android smartphone that was announced in November 2023.
And by price
It features a 6.6-inch IPS LCD screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 500 nits, powered by the Unisoc T606 chipset, 12 nanometers, with an octa-core CPU, 2 by 1.6 GHz Cortex-A75 and 6 by 1.6 GHz Cortex-A55, single 13 megapixels rear camera, f1.9, with auxiliary lens, 0.08 megapixels. The front camera is 8 megapixels, f2.0, a 5000 mAh non-removable battery with 10W wire
तो भाई
charging,
लुक्स वगैरह तो लिटरली नेक्स्ट लेवल है एज यू कैन सी और भाई सिर्फ 7299 के प्राइस पॉइंट पर 4GB रैम Helio G36 octa core प्रोसेसर 50 मेगापिक्सल कैम विद AI लेंस और 6.6 इंचेस की ह्यूज HD प्लस IPS डिस्प्ले 5000 mAh बैटरी सो लेट मी टेल यू फ्री फायर BGMI COD सारे गेम्स इसमें इजीली रन करते हैं। हां बजट फ्रेंडली फोन है देखो तो बीच में थोड़े माइनर से
mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock feature, allowing
बट
users to quickly
मीडियम
and
सेटिंग्स
securely
में
unlock
मस्त
the
गेम चलेंगे,
device.
इसमें
Running
बहुत
on
ही माइनर
XOS
ना के बराबर लैग
7.6 based on Android
लुक
11.
वाइज एंड
Go
फील वाइज
Edition.
भाई इस
The Go
प्राइस
Edition
सेगमेंट
of
का मेरे
Android
हिसाब
is
से ये
specifically designed
दी
for
बेस्ट
entry-level
स्मार्टफोन है। हाँ, इसमें
smartphones,
5G नहीं है,
ensuring
लेकिन
smooth
आप 5G
performance
वाईफाई
even
से
with
जरूर
limited
कनेक्ट कर
hardware
सकते हो।
resources.
तो अगर आपका बजट
The
7000
software
है, नया
includes
फोन लेना
various
है, तो
optimizations
300
and
का जुगाड़
features
और कर लो
tailored
भाई,
to
और ये
enhance the
आपको
user
फ्लिपकार्ट पर
experience on
मिलेगा।
a budget
बढ़ते हैं
device.
आगे।
The
The 3D Simko
Multipro is a
Multipro
versatile
serves as a
handheld
versatile
workshop tool.
pocket
You can use
workshop,
any
replacing
current of
both
future
complex
3D
tools like a
printing
3D
filament
printer
with a
and a
diameter of
soldering station,
1.75
as well as
millimeters
simpler
to
ones
create
like
3D
pliers and
objects.
screwdrivers.
With the
What's
soldering
more,
attachment,
the creators
you
have
can
made
easily
it
solder like
open
using any
source,
other soldering
allowing
iron.
buyers to
Changing
unleash
the
their
soldering tip is
creativity.
straightforward.
You
The
can
burning
attach a
attachment can
0.3
reach
millimeter
temperatures
drill
up to
bit or a
480
soldering
degrees
tip that
Celsius,
heats up to
allowing you to burn into
490
materials
degrees in
like
just
leather and
20
wood.
seconds
It
for
can also
tasks like
smooth 3D
engraving,
printed
burning and
objects.
cutting.
Using
It can work with
resistance wire,
various
you can cut
materials
foam
like wood,
materials,
plastic
boards,
and carbon.
and even
The basic
plexiglass.
3D Simko
Additionally,
Multipro
the device
kit
can
is
connect
priced
via
at only
Bluetooth to your smartphone for
$69.
firmware updates. In the future, more attachments, such as a drill, electric screwdriver, and heat